Welcome to viewers. This is Jahangir Alam from Tech Jahangir YouTube channel. Today I have created a new video how to analyze strip plot design agriculture research data by using RStudio computer program. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe me, and if you have already subscribed, so thank you. Give a friend a chance to watch the video by liking and sharing. Okay viewers, let's start with how to analyze strip plot design agriculture research data by using RStudio computer program. Okay viewers, now we are going to start how to analyze strip plot design agriculture research data by using RStudio computer program. At first we have to see what was our experimental design. It is our strip plot design experimenter. Factor A variety, A variety, B1, 2 and 3, and factor B fertilizer doses, 5 fertilizer doses. Design strip plot, application 3, total plot 45. And what is the difference between strip plot and split plot? It is two factor experiment, 3 variety and 5 fertilizer dose. Split plot and split plot, variety, main plot and fertilizer subplot. Variety 3, 1 and 2 all are a main plot, and a main plot divided into 5 fertilizer doses. And we can consider strip plot B3, 1 and 2, and the left side fertilizer doses F2, 1, F4, F3 and F5. All are the F2, all are the F1, all are the F4, all are the F3, all are the F5, and all are the B3, B1 and B2. But split plot only B3, B1, B2, but fertilizer differs. Main plot divided into 5 fertilizer subplot, but strip plot cannot divide it. So it is our strip plot design and it is our split plot design. How to arrange this data in Microsoft Excel? It is our experimental data. First column the application, second column factor A variety, third column factor B fertilizer, and fourth, 5, 6 other column is dependent and independent variable. First we have arrange fertilizer, factor B, third column fertilizer 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 all are the storage in variety 1, and again fertilizer 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 storage in variety 2, and fertilizer 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 storage in variety 3, and all of the storage in application 1 variety and fertilizer, and those are the dependent and independent variable. Again variety and fertilizer storage in application 2, all of the storage in application 2, and rest are the storage in application 3, and those are the dependent and independent variable. So it is our data arrangement sheet in Microsoft Excel, and this file is saved as CSV file. Okay, and it is a CSV comma delimited. I want to save, replace, yes. Okay, now we are going to start how to analyze by RStudio computer program. First we have to open RStudio software, and now we can go file menu and now go to new script, add script, and first we have to save this file. Now first save to desktop, file name strip plot. Okay, check. First we have two packages, datasheet and agricole. So first we have to library datasheet, then run. Now again call the library agricole and then run, or to better library call run. Okay, now we go to write data read csv double quotation. We're going to path. It is our file to desktop and file data. My file, this is a folder file. My file is, it is our csv file. So we can copy this path in upper side and run, and it is paste here and backslash change to forward slash, and my file name is stripplot.csv. Okay, we can run this. Okay, our file is loaded. It is our file, application, variety, fertilizer, yield, and other parameter. So first we have to seal head of the file. Write head data, because we have to save this file is data. So we run this. We can see it is our file, application, variety, fertilizer, yield, 1000 grain, etc. parameter. We have this structure data file. My file name is data. So run this. It is our data file. The file name is data frame, application, variety, and fertilizer is factor variable, and other are numerical integer variable. Now we find ANOVA. So now model, our name is model, and write with our file name is data, and our design strip plot, and replication, factor A variety, factor B fertilizer, and response variable to yield. Okay, and we can run this. So it is our response variable yield, and degree of freedom means square, sum of square means square, F value, probability value, replication, variety, say 1% level of significance, fertilizer, 3 star, 1% level of significance, fertilizer into variety, the interaction, 1% level of significance. So it is our ANOVA test. Now we can go LSD test. Write GLA storage in model $sign GL.A and GLB storage in model $sign GLB. Now GLC model $sign GLC, and that is factor A and factor B, and error mean square EA storage in model $sign EA is factor A, and factor B model $sign factor EB, and interaction mean square, error mean square EC storage model $sign EC, and we can run this. Okay, we have already success. Other success, we have show error A, error B, and error C. Okay. And now we can out one first on with data LSD test first response variable yield and factor a variable variety GLA EA console is equal to 2. Okay, we can run this. We have to see it is our error mean square for variety and their homogeneous group. Now we can copy this and paste here. Now factor B that and response variable yield and factor B fertilizer error GLP and EP. We can run this. Okay, it is our fertilizer LSD test for yield and error mean square and their homogeneous group. Now we can paste and write output out3 same error and variety into fertilizer and GLCEC. Okay, we can run this. Okay, it is our interaction mean square error and their homogeneous group. Now we can getting interaction mean we can storage in X ANOVA yield variety into fertilizer the interaction data is equal to data model text table X dot mean. We can run this. Okay, model and variety this we can copy here and paste there. Okay, we can again run means okay our analysis complete. Now we can save this file. First sync inverted comma our file name is maze Steve. I want to text this file. The file is text file and I want to print our model. Models mean ANOVA. Now we can print our out1 and again now we can print out2 and now we can print out3 and last thing. Okay, and we can run this. We can open our main file and go to our document file. It is our maze strip. Now we can see it is an analysis of variance for response variable yield and variety. Now 5% level of significance and the fertilizer factor B 1% level of significance, fertilizer into variety their interaction table 1% level of significance and CB value for variety tabulated value and the LSD value. And also we can found varietal treatment and the mean value and the homogeneous group. Now we can see it is CB value, tabulated value and LSD value for factor B fertilizer doses and their mean value and the homogeneous group. Now we can see last interaction effect for yield, variety into fertilizer, CB value and the tabulated value and the LSD value, and it is our treatment fertilizer in variety and fertilizer treatment at their mean value and their homogeneous group. Okay, thank you. I hope it will be helpful for you. If not subscribe, please subscribe me. Thank you.